Hey guys, this is Shankho here and welcome to Smart Bengali. If you live in India, certainly you are familiar with the term GST. Obviously you know that GST is a form of indirect tax in India, came into effect on 1st July 2017. But frankly speaking, there's more to this than meets the eye. Now today I'm going to show you an online course on GST which is totally free and also comes with a free certificate. This is the TCS ION and ICT Academy collaboration course. I've made a few other videos on different courses in TCS ION platform. You can check them in the description. So without wasting any time, let me show you how to enroll in this course. Open your browser. Now go to the course link. I'll put the link in the video description. So this is the course I'm talking about. This course is offered on ICT Academy. ICT Academy is an initiative of Government of India in collaboration with the state governments and IT industries. It was started to meet the skill requirements of the industry and generate more employment, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns, the rural parts of the country. Later it became quite popular. It is actually has a 7-pillar program. You can learn more about their initiatives from here. If I get time, I'll make a video about their digital literacy program later on. For now, let's go back to today's course. Now the course name is GST in 90 minutes, but they have estimated a session duration of 1 week. You need to commit 90 minutes maximum. Like most TCS ION courses, this is also a self-paced course. So there is no specific deadline to complete the course. These are the things you'll learn from this course. This is kind of a basic introduction of GST. Instead of practical implementation, this course is more focused on the need of the new legislation and the impact. Like I said earlier, there are more things involved in this new tax than you imagine. They have highlighted that these professionals will get benefited from this course. But I feel like if you live in India, you should know about GST in details. Basically, I'm saying if you are paying GST, then you must have a clear idea about it. And don't take it otherwise. Let's have a clear look on the course syllabus. There are total 11 modules, but this is a very short course, so each module won't take much time. These are the course instructors. All of them are very renowned personalities. Let's enroll in this course. Click on subscribe. If you're not already registered on TCS ION's platform, then you need to create an account. I'll put a video in the description where I've shown how to register on TCS ION's platform. I've already made a video about that. You can check that out. Since I'm already registered, let me log into my account. So I've logged in. I'm clicking on the subscribe button again. Confirm. So we have successfully enrolled in the course. Let me click on the course. Click on the launch button. Sometimes it takes a long time to load. This TCS e-learning platform is really slow and people are complaining about it all day. But I don't know why TCS isn't taking this very seriously. Hopefully they'll fix it in future. Here on the left pane you'll find the table of contents. All of them are videos except the last item is a reading material. You need to watch these videos one by one. You can watch it in full screen from here. Also, if you have a slow internet connection, you can change the video quality from here. They have also added a note-taking feature. Let's check the course completion criteria. So it says you will receive the certificate only if you complete the course at least 50%. And also your grade percentage will be your course completion percentage. Fair enough. After watching each lecture, you need to click on the Go Forward button here. Earlier they used to have a button called Mark as Completed, but it seems that people are taking advantage of it. Without watching the videos, they are clicking on that button to get the course certificate quickly. Probably that's why TCS have removed the button and shifted to this new system. Now if you watch the entire video, it will be marked as completed automatically. You don't need to do anything. So I'm on the first video, let me complete the entire course, then I'll come back when the certification page comes. As per their estimate, it could take me 90 minutes maximum. So see you after 90 minutes. So guys, I'm back after watching all the course lectures. I'm on the last module now, which is the additional reading material. Let me finish this course and get the certificate. Let me quickly give feedback on the course. I feel like there's a lot of scope for improvement of the platform. By the way, I'm talking about the portal. I have no complaints against the course. This is a really informative course. This is the confirmation dialog. Once you complete the course, you won't have any access to any assignments and your grades will be finalized. Keep that in mind. Currently it is generating my certificate. Let's download it. This is the certificate you will be getting after course completion. Alright friends, that's the end of this video. So guys, I'm making a video series about free online courses which also comes with free certifications. You can check the playlist in the video description. Also please join our Telegram channel to get more course info like this. I share tons of course coupons on that Telegram channel. So that's it for this video guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Also I make science and technology related videos. So if you like those videos, you can subscribe to my channel. So guys, like this video, hit the subscribe button and see you in my next video. Thank you.